This is Ms. Palin. I'm creating this video for you to be used as a quick tutorial on some of the Smartboard tools. The focus of this video will only be on the different pens available to use with the Smart Notebook software installed with your Smartboard. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is choose a pen. So I click here and it opens up a whole new menu. I'm going to click on the pen to choose my pen. The pen I want to use is just a regular pen. Now, of course, I can choose my color. Right here, I can go with pretty much any color. I can also choose from the dotted lines. I can make it wavy. I can also choose to make line styles, and I can choose the thickness right here. This is pretty cool. Right here. That's how we start. That's how the line will start. And if you can see, it does start like that right here. All right, very good. I'm going to go to Edit, then I select all or just clear page and start again. So that's the pen. The calligraphy pen is pretty nice. If you would like to just have a little bit of a flair in your writing, if you will. And then, I haven't used that much. I don't really find any reason to use that. Okay, another pen. The crayon. Okay. Kind of like a shaded crayon, the highlighter, and once again, you can choose your color, you can choose your thickness, you can choose the line style, right there. All right, we're going to go to Edit, and we're going to clear the page. The next pen, the text pen. Simply write what you'd like to. Hello. Wait just a second or two, and there it goes. You click yes if it's correct, no if it's not. Let's try that again. Hello, and I'm not using a pen to do this, I'm just using my finger because I find it's faster. Let's say that's not right. It gives it back to me, so I can fix it up if I want. Now, one of the cool things with the eraser is if you've got a lot to erase, you just take the eraser or your finger after you've chosen the eraser, make a circle around right in the middle, and then go back for any spots you missed. Okay, next pen. Right here, we're going to go with the Creative pen. I haven't really found much of a reason to use this. I'm sure you might. It's pretty creative. But I don't know, I just haven't, One thing you could do, you could use it, it's kind of like a stamper for grouping numbers, making a lot of ones, maybe making a 10. That's a great use for that. Because then you do have the 10. All right, close up on me. But you have to be pretty careful to make sure you actually get the 10. Right. There we go. And then your ones. So that's kind of cool. Alright, I'm going to just reset the page or I'm going to clear the page. It doesn't really matter, they both work. Okay, next pen. Paintbrush. It's nice. It looks like a paintbrush. I guess for the different things that you might be going for, the different effects, different thickness. All right, Edit, and we're going to clear the page. The fun ones now, the Magic Pen. You just write with it. Of course, you can change the color. The Magic Pen, as you write with it, it just disappears. It's like a disappearing ink. Okay, now for the Spotlight pen, or the Magic Pen with the spotlight, I'd like to use some text. So I'm going to choose my pen again. I'm going to go down, make sure the magic pen is chosen, and I am going to draw a circle around, and there I've got a spotlight. Now if I put my finger between the X and the spotlight, I can change the shape if I pull towards the X and then away. I can move it if I put my finger on the outside of the X. Now, as we found out, this is going to work a little bit differently according to which Smart Notebook software you have. The newest Smart Notebook software is version 16. If you find some of your things don't work or some of the activities, it might be a great idea to upgrade. All right, so the zoom feature. First, you have to make sure you've got the correct pen chosen, the magic pen, and that you are on the pen and not the picker. Draw your rectangle, and it will zoom. To make it bigger, there's a little magnifying glass underneath it. You can just adjust it like this. All right, to move this around, you can pull it from the sides. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller, whatever you need to do. Alright, so the final pen is going to be the shape recognition pen. This is a great one, especially for me. I'm going to go back to a clear page. There you go. Seriously. Enough said. Alright, so there are some basics in here, like how to draw a straight line, things like that, an arc, but those are pretty much the nitty-gritty of the pen, and I hope you get comfortable using those because they're a lot of fun, and the students love watching presentations where you can do different things like this. Thanks for watching.